Hey viewers, so in this video we're going to see about the data type. So basically what does the data type means? Data type means that we are storing some kind of a data in data type. Like if I tell you to store your name, then you can use the string data type. String data type is only that store your name or store the characters. So we'll see them in line by line. Suppose if I tell you to store any number, then you're going to use int a equals to 10. Suppose here if I given, and if I print the output cout and a, as you can see on the screen, the output is 10. If suppose if I give the my name at here, like my channel name HackQ, and list on the output, as you can see it give you the error, because in int it is only used to store the data in numerical. You can't store any character or not in decimal. It is only store the numerical. And there is another data type that is called double, double, and so double. And in double you can print the output, it does not give you that. In double you can store the decimal point as well as the numerical point. Suppose if I give the point value, if I run, if there is no error. And suppose if I want to store my name in a name, then I will be going to use string. If I run, it give you the output, because it, as you can see on the screen, it's a numerical value. I have given the string. We have to, whatever you write in the string, we have to give in the quotation. Now see on the screen, output has been successfully printed. Suppose if I tell you to store only a single character like m, like it's generally used in gender character wise. Suppose for that we will going to use char data type, and we will run c const data type. And in C++ we main function that char. I mean, sorry, to use the char you have to use the single quotation, not the double quotation. See, output has been came. And there are different type. I tell you the int, double, string, char, and one more is last is there is, suppose I have given the one, and that is boolean. Boolean is that it return you the true and false. Bul bool, and list on the output 1. Suppose I have given